Oh, on my last visit to the scrapyard, I saw this thing sitting around. It's all rusted, although I did clean it up. I added the motor and the base for it, plus a saw blade, which is going to be used only for cutting aluminium or brass. And I have one of those special blades, and it looks like, and I'm going to make a special attachment out of wood, I suppose, or metal, whatever I have. But let's move the little fella forward. It's on wheels too. So I'll start at that end there, of course, and those two slots, of course, are for guiding stuff through. So I'll be those two slots. I'm going to do something a little different. They'll be holding the push system. Two pieces of steel in there going way back with a plate across and a clamp, so I push a piece of metal through without any problems or issues. So I'm just waiting for a pulley. I already got the belt, link belt. So I'm going to study up on proper speed for table saws. This is all iron, by the way. No aluminium or plastic. Woohoo! It's an old timer. I guess it's very old. Yeah, that's something else again. But I took a wire brush to it and sandpaper to clean off most of the rust. It's nice and smooth, actually. Some dark spots, but I'm not going to bother with worrying about that as long as it cuts okay. Did everything on it. And mounted on a very substantial 2 layers of 3/4 inch plywood. And it's on little wheels, so it's not that often I cut plate. I use the table saw for that, but it, to me, I like my own type of machine design, like this crazy thing. My adaptation of a hand wheel reduction angle drive, which drives the whole thing here. So, yeah, okay, John. Okay, John. So and all this stuff I put together. Fun stuff. I really think it's funny though. Funny, Barbara. Oh, here's a. Oh, that's not it. This is the pulley off that motor. It's got a ding in it. I can knock it out, but you know, I don't know. Being a cast scraps, what do you call that stuff? It's heavy. If you think in the aluminium mixture, you never know, it might crack. Better to be safe than sorry. I'm so sorry. Yeah, so that's a tiny little table saw. I don't know how old it is. Adjustable, tilt one way or the other kind of thing. On a bit of an angle now, but I just put the table on after I bolted everything onto the wood today and line up the motor to the pulley and pulleys to pulleys. So yeah, it's fun. Adjustable, it's got little parts down here. You loosen it until it's any angle you want. But dealing with plate, it'll be a straight cut. Won't be angles or anything like that. But I get ideas when I see stuff like this in the scrapyard. Or adaptation. see, I would be happy with a compound, weird compound device that would feed the metal through as you turn the hand wheel, but I don't know, maybe I'll do that too. We'll see. I got lots of projects, so. Wow. These are other big cylinders here. Got them at the scrapyard. They're printing. You see the printing on it. I guess it was cast like that, but wow. Good price. Reasonable. Oh, like that. Oh dear. Oh dear. Oh dear. What else I'm doing here, huh? Here's this post drill I modified. Motor driven thing. That's a gear reduction sitting on the table. Didn't get around to mounting it yet up there, but I'll get around to it. Yeah. Funny old stuff. Having a lot of fun. Always doing something. Right. That's so cool. I love that thing. It's so funny. And here's for the radio station incoming. This wood here, I should paint it. Rack cabinets for the radio station, UHF, receiving and transmitting and power supplies and all that. I really did a tough job. I always build everything so tough. You can see right up to the top of it. Waiting to be adorned with more electronic gear. Alright, so that's my little spiel at 7 minutes. I like compounds too, you know. Milling machines and compounds. And cannons and artillery and everything else. But not just... I'm not a scientist, come on. Not an inventor, I never claimed to be. And I get these weird comments and all this stuff, I'm trying to prove this, and I'm not trying to prove anything. You give a flying, you know what. Not that interested, really. This Mel Winfield that started the whole thing. But luckily I met a lot over the years, many interesting people. That's worth it. I'm gonna do another video. Carry on.